What's up, babes? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel if you are new here, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are going to be doing a 5-minute wig install. Super quick, super easy, straight to the point, you guys. But first, I want to thank Love Me Hair for sponsoring today's video. Let's go ahead and jump right into it.
It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby, it's about time we're making up time. I told you I wasn't really waking up. Now you never said I couldn't let you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We've been having it that's on. Tonight is on an island. It's about time we're waking up. Told you I wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We've been having it like on. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've been having it like on. Take you there, take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby, it's about time we're making up time. I told you I wasn't really waking up. Now you never said I couldn't let you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We've been having it that's on.
The unit that I'm featuring in today's video from Love Me Hair is this super easy put on and go Yaki bob with bangs unit. Girl, when I tell y'all this unit eats the girls up, it eats, honey, okay? So if you haven't tapped in and watched the most recent vlog here on my channel, I have been wearing my natural hair like crazy, you guys, and I actually have cut my natural hair into a bob. I am loving bobs just in general, so when Love Me Hair reached out and wanted to partner up once again and send me over a unit, when I found out it was a bob, girl, I was super excited because I have been loving bobs. Like, I have been on a bob wave. I've been wearing the devil out of my natural hair, y'all. That's how much I have been loving it. One of my favorite things about this bob specifically is that it has the Yaki texture, which take me back to high school, junior high school days. If you know, then you know. It simply just gives a natural black girl hair flat iron, okay, with a bunch of body. Because that's what it's giving, body, honey. I also am loving the natural black color on this unit, you guys. Y'all already know my love for black hair is crazy. The bangs are literally cut perfect on this unit. They're not too short, they're not too long. I also like that they're kind of thinned out, so if I wanted to, I can kind of wear them kind of pieced together like that. I can wear them like a fringe bang. I love that the bangs aren't super heavy and they're not giving Nicki Minaj 08, okay? This unit is completely glueless. It is constructed on a medium standard size wig cap, and it is 150% density, which I love, girl, because I feel like it's not too thick and it's not too thin. 150 is literally perfect, especially for my head type, head shape, face shape, all of that. The cap on this unit is super breathable. I literally just have a wig cap underneath it and just the wig on top. This unit is also available in the 99J color, as well as 12 inches, 10 inches, and 14 inches. When it comes to bobs, I feel like I never know whether to get a 10 inch or a 12 inch. I guess it just kind of depends on the look that I'm going for, because my natural hair is more like a 10 inch kind of bob. This is definitely giving 12. I love how it falls on me. It falls literally right at my collarbone. I do like that I put a little bump at the end of the hair. When I tell y'all this unit was so easy like to install, you don't need no lace spray, honey. You don't need no lace glue. You don't need no band, girl. The only thing you need is this unit, maybe a little bio silk. That's what I put on this unit, and I also used some of the wax stick. Other than that, y'all, you literally need nothing else, and a flat iron, girl. I literally use minimal products as possible, you guys, to show you guys that you do not need much, honey. The only thing you need is this unit. Okay, go get it. A link to this unit will be linked in my description bar below, as well as a coupon code from me. My goal here was to bring you guys a super quick and easy video to show you guys that you can slay, honey, in less than 5 minutes. You don't have to have lace, like, you don't have to have all of that. Less is more, and I'm definitely learning that as we go into 2024. Happy New Year, by the way, okay? Because it's New Year's Eve, as New Year. We can't say New Year's. New Year Eve. Wait, that don't sound right. New Year's Eve while I'm filming this video. I hope that was right. Drops the mic. I literally have nothing else to say about this unit, but go get it. Check out my description bar below, you guys. My coupon code is also linked below, like I said. Thanks again so much to Love Me Hair for sponsoring today's video, and until next time, bye. Mwah.
Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had this place forever. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had this place forever. Take you there, take you there. Take you there.
Baby. Very fine as fuck.
Thank you, baby. Cheers. Ooh. Baby, can I get some juice?